Hi, welcome back to our Frequently Asked Questions series. Today's video is going to answer the question, how can I get my polycarbonate H or U profile to slide onto my multi-wall polycarbonate sheet? Just in case you're not familiar with or haven't used one of these install components before, a polycarbonate H profile is used to join two multi-wall polycarbonate sheets together. This provides a finished and professional look to your project. A polycarbonate U profile is used to cap off the bottom and or top of a multi-wall polycarbonate sheet. This prevents dust, bugs, or any other kind of debris from entering the flutes of the sheet. Remember, if you're using a polycarbonate U profile to cap off the bottom end of the sheet, make sure to drill several weep holes to allow for proper condensation drainage. Okay, so you're getting ready to install your multi-wall polycarbonate sheets, but you're having a little difficulty getting the polycarbonate H or U profiles to slide onto your sheet. We understand. These profiles are meant to fit snug. So we've got a couple tips for you to make your installation go a little easier. The first technique that I'm going to show you is the messy but effective soap technique. For this, you're going to need a soft cloth, some water, and either a bar of mild hand soap or mild liquid detergent. I'm going to be using liquid dish soap today. Start by putting a few drops of the liquid soap on the end of the polycarbonate sheet. Then rub it all along the edge of the sheet so as to cover the sheet completely. Then take the polycarbonate U profile and position it at one end of the sheet. Gently yet firmly slide the polycarbonate profile to the end of the sheet. If needed, add a little bit more soap to help the polycarbonate profile slide along. Once in position, grab your soft cloth, dampen it with some water, and then clean off the excess soap. That's all there is to it. For our second technique, we're going to be using a putty knife. A putty knife can be found at most local hardware stores, or you may already have one at home. Start by grasping the polycarbonate U profile in one hand. Then with the other hand, take the putty knife and gently start prying open the opening. Starting at one end, slowly work your way down, making sure not to nick or scratch the polycarbonate profile while widening it. This may seem like extra work, but it will make more room for the polycarbonate profile to slide onto the multi-wall sheet. Alright, now that we've got the polycarbonate profile widened, it should slide onto the sheet more easily. Let's give it a try. Position the U profile on the end of the sheet and gently yet firmly slide it onto the sheet. Once in position, press down on the polycarbonate profile the full length of the sheet to make sure it is securely in position. So there you have it, a couple of simple techniques for sliding a polycarbonate H or U profile onto a multi-wall polycarbonate sheet. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. For more answers to frequently asked polycarbonate and PVC panel questions, head to our website, www.amerilux.com. Until next time, thanks for watching. Carbonate U profile is Start by, ooh, no, that's not what I wanted to say. For sliding a multi-wall or poly...